all points. We can support image colorization, thermal images, reconstruction, and cross model translation. Uh, and also utilize generative adversarial network with multiple generators and model translation. Focused on efficiency and data conservation and low resource deployment, making it ideal and environments like edge and devices. Delivers high quality outputs even under varied lighting and conditions. Now coming to the system architecture, uh, coming to the system architecture, first, this image system architecture dual mode web-based image process. First one is user interface. This is where the user interacts with the system. It shows an example of an input with image, like a person in a body of water. Uh, then web server handle image. This component built using flags handles the image upload from the user interface. Coming to the third point is main important dual mode web-based image processor. This is the core of the system uh, where the image process takes place. It appears to main processing branches potentiality for different modes of types of analysis. It shows in one branch seem to involve multiple parallels. The second branch had multiple paths, and third branch, both branches fill into final combination, set up to the combination of output stages like future map, relate map, geometric map, and future output map.
Me, I'm sorry to stop your answer, but it's 6 minutes are over and you have only 2 minutes left. Please make it fast.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Coming to the last user result, this is the last one. Coming to the result, the first looks like a color adjustment styled version of the original. Second appears to edge detection, and third another color adjust filter version. The fourth is a highly stylish for color mapped representation. Coming to the system modules, these are the system modules, 7 modules, and most of the important is the train model or imperative model. Coming to the test and evaluating, using dice and coefficient for segmentation accuracy. Coming to the results, achieve high scores in segmentations, image quality, and maintain efficient performance on edge devices. Thank you. Over to Kelvin in my team.
Amma, your audio is not audible.
Ma'am, good morning. These are the execution screenshots, and coming to the login interface, we need to give our login ID and password, and
Amma, go to next slide.
after this, these are the interface, and in this we need to choose any of our image which we need to the image which we need to reconstruct, and we need to select the operation, and after this the image will translate like this.
Amma, what is your project title?
Ma'am,
What is your project title?
image translation and reconstruction with advanced neural networks.
Completed your presentation.
Ma'am, no ma'am. Coming to the
Com-
future enhancements, support for multiple sector, spectral and hyperspectral images, extend functionally to handle complex sensors like remote sensing and medical imaging, and real-time processing optimization, improve model speed and responsive, and cross-modality generalization, integration with diverse sensors like LiDAR and radar, edge deployment and And this is the conclusion. The system enables efficient cross-modal image translation, use a lightweight dual-mode encoder, and achieves robust performance across various conditions with low computational cost. Thank you, ma'am.
So, dear session chair and internal chair, if you are having any questions, please ask.
I have one question, Nitish. Means, according to you, what do you think? What will be the real-time application of your project?
Yes, sir. Coming to the real-time applications, it can be used in these surveillance machines or models, like in armed forces, or it also can be used in wildlife monitoring, and it can also be embedded with some smart vehicle cameras to capture the images and translate those images for the better processing. And also it can be used in medical imaging if it can be extended adapted to those medical imaging. It also can be used in those medical imaging field.
Okay. Okay. Means, in your presentation, you have talked about generative adversarial network, that is GAN.
Yes,
So
sir.
means, how would you be means key combining this GAN with, because GAN is a kind of machine algorithm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So means, how you will be implementing it to means for converting this image into various bilateral images.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, please.
I'll proceed with this. Basically, GAN consists of generators and discriminators, which are used to generators are used, will generate the images. The GAN model is predefined, like it will be trained with some data, unlabeled data. After that, it will generate those images.
Hmm.
Likewise, on which the data on which data it is trained, like that. And discriminators are used to evaluate those realisticness and accuracy of those generated images. So this model is developed and trained. Then after a web interface is also developed, and user will give the input. Those input are given to that GAN model, and that will extract those features, and it will convert that images to the required formats or modalities.
Okay. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Over to you.
Sir. Amma, once again you explain what is exactly you are doing to your title, what it representing.
Title, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Our title is Image Translation and Reconstruction using Advanced Neural Networks. Here, translation will is meaning that will translate from one format to another. If we see here in this page, ma'am, we'll upload an image, and then we will select the format or operation which we want to perform. Here, the image color model is translated, ma'am, and it is reconstructed. The image is reconstructed based on the option. Like here, we have given some RGB image, and it is converted to the XYZ version. It is a color model of in image graphics, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Next batch.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You can leave, ma'am. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, my name is Manasa. I'm here to give a presentation on our project. First, let me
Amma,
share the screen.
Manasa? Manasa.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Amma, what's your paper ID?
Paper ID. 1 second,
We
ma'am.
have a order. Next one 142 paper ID.
Yes, ma'am. Ours is the same. Nayan Sai and
142 only, na?
yes, ma'am.
Navya Sai Reddy is there in your batch?
Nayan Sai Reddy, ma'am.
Okay, okay, you can start.
Okay. Our presentation is on a project title Underwater Image Enhancement. Introduction, literature survey, existing system, and
Ma'am, your voice is
And
not clear.
answer your
Your voice is not clear,
secure
ma'am.
connection, please.
am I audible
Check
now?
your connection and
Please
enjoy.
check, please check your connection once.
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay,
Amma,
sir.
check your internet connection.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Hello.
Please
Yes,
continue.
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay. Our project title is Underwater Image Enhancement based on conditional denoising diffusion probability model. Coming to the overview of the presentation, we have abstract, objective, introduction, literature survey, existing system, proposed system, and system edge. Abstract of the project, what it faces some different type of problems like light attenuation, images unclear problems like it may suffer due to light attenuation because of traveling from one medium to other medium or light scattering, etc. So in order to overcome that, our project uses AI based image enhancement to improve visibility and quality. Existing methods like CLA, and DCP compatibility. So we introduced diff water based on DDPM, uses some techniques in order to make the images clear. Here it shows some capabilities and robustness addressing the complex visual distortions present in various underwater conditions. And it also improves than the traditional methods like CLAHE, DCPM, and MIP. The main objective of our project is diff water in order to make the images clear and enhance the visibility. The diff water is to develop a highly effective and adaptive underwater image enhancement. To develop a diffusion based UIA model, it needs to undergo different type of environmental conditions it in order to improve the image visibility and clarity, improve the clarity, contrast, and color fidelity. Next, introduction. Underwater images degrade due to scattering and light absorption. The images become unclear due to the light scattering, etc. So diffusion models iteratively refines images, outperforming traditional enhancement techniques. Here we have different type of traditional methods like CLA, DCP, MIP, where it works successfully, but it has some limitations in some conditions. So our method is mainly focuses on haze and enhances colors for better visibility. Coming to the literature survey, existing methods like CLA, DCP, and MIP improves contrast but struggles with some conditions. CLA that full form is contrast limited adaptive histogram equalization. Here it works on contrast but may face some issues in increasing noise. So in order to overcome that, it failed. And DCP dark channel prior removes haze but struggles with some light distortions methods. It has limited in a distortions method, severe color distortions. And next will be continued by my teammate Charan.
Are you there, ma? Your voice is not audible.
Yes, ma'am. Next will be continued by my teammate Sharon.
Fast.
Ma'am, he's facing network issue. I will be continuing.
Okay, sure. Please
Here
continue.
in literature survey too, we have another method, traditional method MIP, that is maximum intensity projection. It highlights the bright areas but does not enhance color. However, the method struggles with addressing issues like color distortion and noise. Yeah,
Yes, you're audible. Please continue.
So for basically for existing systems, we use a method like CLAH, DCP, MIP, and RGHS ULAP. The here CLAH stands for the contrast limited adaptive histogram equalization. It basically increases the contrast and divides the.
Excuse me, you're left with only 2 minutes, so please make it fast.
Okay, let me show you the execution before that. So for enhancement method, we use CLH, Relight, and RGHS. And for restoration, we use DCP, MIP, and ULAP. For example,
Voice not audible.
let me insert the image.
Okay.
This is a raw image. For this, we are applying the contrast limited adaptive histogram equalization. And after applying, this is the left side. This is a raw image, and right.
I think, excuse me, I think the means the screen that you are presenting is not mapping with the thing that you are sharing with us. Please check what you have shared.
So is it
Show
visible?
me your result page, ma. It is showing existing system. You are telling about results, na?
So is it visible?
No, actually, Manasa Docs is still presenting. Her PPT is getting presented.
Okay, okay.
Yes, now it's visible.
Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, please continue.
Yeah, these left side, these are the enhancement methods we use for enhancing the images, and right side methods are the restoration methods. And basically, for example, let me show you this CLHE method. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
This is a raw image taken in the underwater, and for this we are applying the CLHE method. Yeah, I have some problem with that. So basically, we use these methods. DCP stands for dark channel prior. It removes the dark pixels in the image and restores the original colors. And maximum intensity projection will helps in the increasing the intensity of the image. And existing systems works in specific conditions, but may lack in overall.
and it may not work well in the deep sea. So for this, to overcome these issues, for proposing system, we have been using the diff water, generally called as a denoising diffusion probabilistic model. It is a AI model, pre-trained AI model, particularly used for the image enhancement. And proposed system will be continued by my teammate Ryan.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible, but please make it fast. We have only 2 minutes, and it will be the
So
end of
the
your presentation.
so the proposed system was deep water enhances underwater images using AI-based denoising diffusion probabilistic model. So in here, deep water, what is deep water? Deep water is an AI-based underwater image enhancement method that leverages a conditional denoising diffusion probabilistic model. So what it does will be color distortion, low contrast, blurriness, scattering, and absorption of light. So it was proposed in the uh, it will be used for the DDPM framework and conditional setting, meaning it uses the original degraded underwater image as a condition to guide the denoising process. So here's the process: forward diffusion, where it adds a noise to the underwater image over multiple steps. So it will make the image clear so that it will in next step reverse denoising will be done. A neural network that learns to remove the noisy step by step condition on the original image. In the enhanced output, the final output is a clean, visually enhanced version of the underwater image, where the performance was shown competitive or superior performance compared to the traditional and deep learning based enhancement methods as previously which is in existing system. Especially for this one, the software requirements that will be like operating system Linux or Windows, and the language that is mainly used was Python 3.8 plus version, where the libraries that are required as Torch Fusion, NumPy, Matplotlib, and etc. The hardware requirements will be 16 GB RAM or more, and the framework that will be used will be PyTorch. So I conclude here. Uh, uh, so I conclude here with with a step that AI-based underwater image enhancement improves visibility better than older methods. It outperforms traditional methods by adapting to different water conditions, making it a reliable solution for underwater imaging applications.
Your chairpersons, if you have any questions, please continue.
Amma, conclude your project. Who joined last now? Tell me briefly.
So this method enhances the improves visibility better than the older methods. It outperforms traditional methods by adapting to different water conditions, making it reliable solution, like using color distortion, light scattering, and noise reduction, making it reliable for image applications. Thank you.
Okay.
Dear external chair, if you have any questions, discuss. Else we'll continue with the next participant. Devanand, your audio is not. Can you?
Voice is not clear.
Yeah, ma'am, now I'm audible.
Oh, now okay.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, continue.
Hello.
Continue, ma. Now is better. Okay, continue.
Hello.
Yes, please on your video and you can continue your audible.
Yeah, hello, I'm audible right now.
You are audible. Please continue. Please share your PPT.
Sir, he left the meeting. Shall we proceed with the next participant?
Yes, please.
Okay, next is Sahibi. Okay, Vimla Sahib.
Yeah, good afternoon to one and all and host. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Please continue.
Let me know whether my screen sharing is visible or not.
It's visible.
Yeah. Good afternoon to sir and good afternoon to one and all. And myself Sahiti, and I am here to present an project report on automatic detection and predictive geolocation of foreign object debris on airport runway with my teammate. We will give an overview on the presentation about abstract, objective, introduction, and literature survey, existing system, and proposed system architecture, system modules, execution status, and future enhancement regarding our presentation. Generally, the foreign object debris means the unwanted materials and the tools that which are left over. Detect presence of these foreign object debris on the runway. It may causes hazards for the aircraft takeoffs and landings. So for that, the automatic detection and geolocation prediction is a plays a crucial role. So our project is about that. Um, and our main objective is to develop an efficient automated system for detecting foreign object debris on airport runways. We will use the YOLO V8 version and self-attention mechanisms for this, and we will use YOLO V8 version because it provides the high efficiency and accuracy for detecting the smaller objects, and it provides an enhance the system's robustness, and also provides detecting of objects in any complex weather situations. And we will sorry yeah Generally, the traditional detection methods are using optical cameras and radar based systems. The limitations for this are it lacks of accuracy and efficiency, and it does not detect the smaller objects, and it may causes hazards for the airport air landings and takeoffs. So for that, we are proposing the YOLO V8 version, where it is a machine learning algorithm that which is a supervised algorithm which takes an trained data input and provides an processing output. Here, based on our literature survey, generally they use radar based detections where they will detect the smaller objects, and here the optical camera is useful for detecting the objects. It processes the objects and take an video and provide it to the monitor console in the aircraft, so they can easily detect it. But it takes but as we all of you know that manual methods takes a lot of time consuming and decreases its efficiency. So we will use an updated proposal method, which is YOLO based detections, where it will take the coordinates of the object, and it will process the object's coordinates by providing it into the cells, and detects the coordinates of each cell, and provides the data to the algorithm. So here the in the existing system, we will go through the challenges, like it is difficult to detect the objects under poor visibility, like if weather is foggy or dusty, so we cannot detect the objects on the airport runway, so it may cause us data inefficiency. So for that, we are using the proposed system YOLO V8 version, which is going to be explained by my teammate.
Thank you, Saiti. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
The proposed system of our project is we will be using YOLO version 8 with SWAM transformer for enhanced detection. And in our data set, we will be having 74,737 images, which are captured by 4.5 types. And the advantage of our proposed system is improve the small object detection. We will be having small objects in our runway, so it enhances the detection process, and we'll be using self attention and we'll be using previous techniques. Okay. Self attention mechanism, it will offer context aware processes, and it will be having better handling and clustering environment. Next. So this is our system architecture, and we will be seeing at the left side we will be having the objects which are detected on the runway, and it enhances the detection process with using YOLO version 8 algorithm, and it will be detecting and saying which object is from using the data set. We will be having 7,000, so it detects the object and it names the object which is detected. Next slide, please. So next slide. So system models we will be using our project are data acquisition model, foreign job database detection model, geolocation prediction model, and performance evaluation model. We will be using these type of models in our system in a project. So execution of our project is it is a homepage. It is a opening page of our project, and we can see we can see we will be having login and register on the right side of the top corner, and we'll be registering first by username and the password, and next we will be logging in the same username and the password. Next slide. So here we will be uploading the images which we can be detected by which are in our data set. So after uploading the image, we will be getting next slide. So in the
Sorry to
left side,
stop you, but can you please complete?
okay. So let's say we are having the upload original image which have been uploaded from the manually, and it process the image, and it will be saying that which object is detected, and we will be having 0.86. It is a number what will be accuracy that is working on the project. Exactly. So future enhancements by our project are it will be enhancing the real-time detection and alert system and automated debris removal integration and weather risk detection model and runway conditions. It helps in all the weather conditions. So future enhancement will be done in so that way. So system requirements of our project are hardware requirements. We will be using Intel Pentium i3 and higher, and RAM will be using 4 GB or more, and storage will be using for 450 GB HDD, and software will be using backend Python. Operating system will be Windows 10 and IDE with Spider 3. So conclusion by our project is proposed system we introduce. It will be it will improve the accuracy of the geolocation and fraud update debris. So by using YOLO version 8 and Swarm transformer, it enhances the object detection on the runway platforms. So potential real-time application is evaluating the safety and runway maintenance. So this conclusion will be given us project.
Chairpersons, if you have any questions, please continue.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sorry for the previous interruption. My name is M. Devanand, and I'm audible, right?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Let's continue about my product, my paper title. Just a second, I will present my screen. Yeah, it's my project. Okay, my name is M. Devanand, and title of my project is Privacy Concerns in Android Application, an overview of risks and its solutions. And I'm the only single author here. And I'm a student of Computer Science and Engineering Department at Nanak Institutions, Hyderabad. And okay, let's go for the problem and motivation which I have used here. Today, In present generation, more than 72% phones are the Android phones, and in that 72% or of the free apps use unnecessary permissions, like they take extra permissions than required. So rarely know what's they have been collected, like what's the data they have been collected. So my goal is to expose the key risks and propose a target solution here. The first one is the what are the core privacy risks? Like what are the risks that going to be happen in the Android apps? First one is the over permission, like flashlight apps takes the GPS permission, etc., and the hidden data sharing via third party SDKs. Most of the SDKs are being encrypted, but some of the SDKs which have been taken from the other vendors will not so be encrypted. So the data leakage will be there. And the unencrypted communication where we are using HTTP, which has a risk of data leakage and a misleading concept flows, like an app asking the user to allow or don't allow. And the next one is the case studies. There are so many of case studies where the data has been leaked. The first one is the Paytm case study, which has happened near around 2022. Like it is asking the location permission without any particular purpose. Afterwards, they have been resolved it by asking the permission from the user, taking the proper dashboard transparency, etc. And next one is the Core app. Core app is a microbiological app which uses the HTTP hasn't base to transfer the data, but the data leakage has been happened here. So they have all fixed it using HTTPS. And next one is the Argya Setu. Argya Setu just taken the GPS and the health data and sold it to the other Chinese companies. So it has been a very popular issue in that time in around 2023 or 24. But they have fixed it. They removed the GPS tracking, etc. And next one is the what are the root causes and the patterns they are being using. First one is the purpose creep, like they are asking the permissions beyond their usage. And next one is the SDK's misuse. The just now I have discussed, right, SDK is being misused and misleading concept interface, like it's just asking the permission using allow once or allow every time. It does not show the any permission, like don't allow something. And the next one is the solutions which have been proposed for the developers. The design should be properly privacy encrypted, and for the users should always check the privacy dashboards and check their permission over apps and the websites which they were giving. And for the policymakers, they have to they already there is a policy of DBDP in 2023 act. They have to maintain a strict rules and guidelines about it. And next one is the conclusion. To about conclusion, Android apps pose a very major risk compared to iOS devices. So the government should take an strict act for this. And there are several Indian case studies has shown in real examples and the root causes. Thank you. Is there any questions? Open to questions. Hello.
Yes, so chairpersons, if you have any questions, please proceed.
Devanand, once,
Yeah, ma'am. Please.
once what your project is doing exactly.
Yeah, okay. Let me brief about my project. It's not about the project, it's about the research paper I have been conducted, like the privacy concerns in Android applications, like what the Android applications and what are the risks if you are using an Android mobile, and how the data has been leakage and the hackers interpreting. So all will be connected in my paper.
I have one question. Yes.
Yes, sir, please.
Means, have you only referred or have you only focused on Android application? You have also means expanding your research to various iOS also, because as per the new studies that now it was a long time that only Android the data leakage was there only through Android. Now there are many tools and many applications are there where we have been finding that there are data leakage through iOS also. Means in short, if we say that iOS also not safe. So
Yes, sir.
are you means planning to go beyond this, or you will be restricting towards only this paper?
No, I'm planning to go beyond this from the iOS devices and the Windows application and the Linux also. Like in the further cases, like the major cause for the data leakage is on Android till date. Like about the 90% data leakage will be happening on the Android because of the poor like poor performance and the security reasons, they are not so strict as compared to the iOS devices. So
What are the
this
various
that is the reason
protocols
why
that?
I took this.
Okay, okay. My last
Yeah.
question is, what are the various protocols that you will be using for this to avoid data leakage?
Yeah, the first one is to the like sorry for that. The Google Play Store certification is should be must for the all the Android applications. The Google Play Store certification is not so compulsory for now, but they have to make the compulsory. And the second one is the users have to take the initiative, not only the government, not only the playstations etc. The user have to always check the permissions which it has been taking and what usage it has been doing with that permissions. I believe that the amount of the work the government is doing and the same amount of the work should be done by the user itself. Like privacy is not about the key, right?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Respected technology and technology and the discuss. Let's take a break of 30 minutes and let's rejoin it. Sharp work for me. There will be a short break for 20 minutes. We will all join at 1:40 sharp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
A reminder, you just have 8 minutes for the presentation, in which 6 minutes are for presenting it and 2 minutes are for the questions. Let's welcome our next participant, Mohammad Rahman from the Nanak Institute Technical Campus.
Excuse me, Sharon.
Yes.
Sharon, actually, I have an emergency right now. Can I present right now instead of Mohammed Rahman? I've actually informed him regarding this.
Yeah, okay, sure. Please continue.
Yeah, thank you.
You are not audible. Once check your connection.
Hello.
Let's check your internet connection.
Am I able to? Sorry for the internet. Hello.
Now check your internet connection.
Hello. Hello.
Continue.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption. It's a power outage issue here, something like that. Okay. So let me give you a brief idea of my project here. So there are millions of material regarding any subject or anything else. So what my idea is, leverage those free materials and make the user or the student easy to learn what's in that material. So what am I using here? I'm using the LLMs, large language models. And I'm also using the RAG model, which is retrieval augmented generation. So this is the abstract of my project. It's a personal learning platform based on whatever the user uploads. It might be a PDF book, which and also a website or else a YouTube video, and it gets the data from there, and it actually gives a personalized uh, content for the user, which can be easier to understand in the form of chatbot. So it has different interactive learning tools which can suggest questions also for every reply the bot gives, and also it can also generate podcasts, and it can also give I mean quizzes for the user, which will test the user understanding of um, the topic. And the purpose, as I have said, the purpose is to take any material from the user. It might be a website or PDF books, or else any YouTube video, and get the text from it, and use the retrieval augmented generation model to give a structured and personalized content for the user in a form of chatbot. So what am I using for this platform to build to be get built? I'm using Python, and I'm actually using the Flask web framework for it. And for the development process, I'm using SQLite for it as a database. And for the vector storage, I'm using the Chroma DB for it. Uh, I've also included a specific search engine for it, which was a bit harder to integrate in this thing. So what my search engine does is uh, it will take the user query and gets relevant materials for the user to be able to upload it to the LLM and get the response from there. So uh, that is one thing. And the papers that I have referred to this project is the AI agent that matters to understand the agents, how the agents works and all. And also to learn more about RAG model, I've uh, referred the Anthropics contextual learning model, which uses a contextual RAG to get the data from the user, and embed the model and embed the text in a way to get accurate results from the vector search. And what is the execution system right now? So if any user wants to uh, wants to give PDF or something like that, then it will be very costlier, because if they want to give any bigger books, or else any pages between 100 or more. So what am I doing is getting the text from it, splitting it into small chunks, and embedding it, then doing vector search based on the user query, and getting only the the related text which is based on the user query, and giving it to the LLM with the user query with some prompt engineering, then get the output of it. So that's what I am doing. But in the existing system, if I want to give like a thousand pages PDF book, then the context length will be very big, and the larger the context length, the pricier the LLM will be right now. Before last year, the context length of the LLM was also very small, that we can't give any big PDFs or something like that. And if you want to, like, in the existing system right now, if you want to reduce those things, then we might have to retrain it based on our data too, which will take power, very much computational power, and also time, and also requires very big GPUs to cost big GPUs, which will cost very much for us. And it is also very harder to implement unless and until you are an LLM engineer or something like that. So what I have done is I'm actually proposed a RAG approach for this, and getting the extracting the data from any PDF books or YouTube content transcripts, or else any website by doing data scraping, and embedding all the text into embedding all the text and storing it in a vector database, and then doing vector search, and based on some prompt engineering, I'll get uh, reply from large language models in a very accurate manner
Your
without
time
any
is up.
hallucination.
Please conclude.
Sorry. So this is the RAG architecture that I'm using right now. It divides the chunks, and it runs through a LLM prompt to get the summary of it. Then I'll attach the summary of the chunk and embed the model. Then store it in a vector database. Then based on user query here, uh, it it gets the result from there, and then we can rank it through the similarities. Then through some prompt engineering, it will get the result. So that's it. That's my project. So
Session chair and interval chair can ask questions if they have it.
yeah, please.
Once conclude your project.
Yes, ma'am. So what my project finally does is it takes any PDF or else any website or else any YouTube video which is in English, of course, because the transcripts of them are in English. So it gets those things and embed them into a vector database, and then use a response based on user query, so that user can learn in a structured format about those contents. That's what my project is about, ma'am.
Are you registered for the journals?
Sorry,
Are
ma'am.
you filled the Google form now? You are filled the Google form. You opted yes or no for general registration. Are you willing
Yes, ma'am.
to?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, yes, ma'am. I'm willing
your
to.
willingness is yes, sir. Okay, I am marking yes. You
Yes,
already filled in Google form also.
yes.
Any issues in your paper, any authors, title change, anything is there?
No, ma'am, nothing there.
You
I've
sent,
verified it.
you already sent full paper?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, that's true.
Everything is okay. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Next.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
One minute. Praveen sir?
Sir,
No,
please.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just need, because I have joined from the Medna, so I just need the group number that just have completed for marking. Paper number.
151, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Now I call Mohammed Zaman from the Nanak Institute Technical Campus. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please proceed.
Sir, my schedule time is 2:20 to 2:28, sir. Sir, if possible, please take my in that time, sir. I taken permission in that time
Sure.
to
Please,
attend the session.
share your paper ID.
Mine is NCFT 232, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Any technical difficulty? Yes.
Yes,
Pragati,
sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, ma'am. I'm sharing the screen.
share it first.
Ma'am, is my screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please continue.
Ma'am, myself P. Pranati, ma'am. I'm from Stanley College, ma'am. My project name is Development of Safety System for Disabled, ma'am. In this, we designed for often one wheelchair for often disabled person, ma'am. Uh, these are the concept I am going to explain, like abstract introduction, literature survey, and problem statement, aim and objective, a proposed diagram, existing proposed diagram, and results, ma'am. In my abstract, like we are used in my hardware kit, we are implemented like it's a hardware and software part. It's like a transmitter and receiver part. In transmitter side, there are some often Zigbee transmitter and Zigbee receiver. Zigbee transmitter will transmit the gestures and voice control, and to the receiver side, to according to that receiver, according to often transmitter, receiver will gets the signal, and it will rotate the wheel according to that, either left or right, ma'am. Mm, we not only the wheelchair, into this wheelchair we are also include a health monitoring system. Health monitoring system includes like pulse sensor, a temperature sensor, and the GPS location. Here our main use for this is like we having a wheelchair with it can move, but we are combining here GPS for this wheelchair and health controlling. And also for that we are also implemented caretaker can see caretaker can track the location. Live tracking is available to the in caretaker mobile app, and also he or she caretaker can see the pulse rate and the body temperature of the particular patient who sat in the wheelchair. This is my total abstract, ma'am, about the project. uh, to uh, to avoid the disturbances in this, we are using Zigbee wireless communication for it present at both at the transmitter and receiver part. Uh, uh, we all connected to the ESP32 and Arduino Uno, ma'am. This is my literature service, ma'am, where I can gather the information in the past. Here, October 2020, ma'am. This is my existing. I have taken this is an existing system, ma'am. This paper I have taken it as existing system, like mobile control automated wheelchair for disabilities. Using this, we are proposed our system, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Is my voice is audible, ma'am? Hello.
Audible only.
Yeah.
Continue.
No, okay, ma'am. Our main aim is to combine all the sensors and to provide often a real time communication for often caretaker who can also in the far position, like if caretaker is far too often if patient, he can observe, he can monitor the pulse and the body condition, he can monitor. For our aim is that, ma'am. And here in objective, we are like in integrated pulse sensor, temperature sensor, GPS. For vehicle movement, we are using voice to speech control, ma'am.
Time is up. Please continue.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. And joystick and gesture control for a wheel movement. This is my existing system, ma'am. In existing system, there is often wireless communication, but there is no any health monitoring or any GPS or any GPS location tracking or any care or any the it does not have any application for caretaker to watch the to how to track the patient patient real time health monitoring system. This is my proposed block diagram, ma'am. uh, first part is of an transmitter part. All the sensors, all are connected to of an transmitter part, and only in receiver part there is an only vehicle movement. According to of an gesture like vehicle movement control, the receiver will receive, and according to that wheels movement will be there. So flow chart, ma'am, like how it is going to receive. It's starting. Transmitter part will share the all that according to that input, according to input size. Either it is of an voice control or gesture control or joystick control. It's take the input and it sends transmit to of a receiver. The our wheelchair will be moved in the forward direction, backward, left and right side. This is an hardware components which I used, ma'am. This is my overall kit, ma'am. Hardware kit after we designed. It's here we wheelchair. It is of an receiver part, and on another side we having of an transmitter part, ma'am. And patient can caretaker can also see the pulse rate and the temperature at that LED screen, ma'am. At LED screen, the patient pulse rate and his temperature will be displayed there. These are the vehicle movements, ma'am. Like as per the hand gesture, the vehicle movement will be there. Like if we take off and voice as an input, in voice as input we are used like forward, backward, left and right. As per the we giving a commands, the vehicle movement will be there. If we take off an joystick also same as a fun gesture, like left, front, back, right and left. Yeah, you can see in figure 18, ma'am. In this way, we can see the in caretaker app. Like if we giving a command log of like sensor, here the patient pulse rate and the temperature is displayed there. And if we take a command like of a track, the caretaker the direct the location will be getting, ma'am. These are our sensor parameters. Like when we observe in different scenarios, this is the temperature and pulse and locations, ma'am. A comparison table, comparing of our existing system and proposed system. In our existing system, we are used. In applications, we can use this in a health monitoring system, ma'am, and also in industrial automation and assistive technologies, we can use this, ma'am. If we want, we can in like in the future score. If we want, we can also integrate in power supply mode. Like we can also use the solar panels there to reduce the power cost to consumption cost. We can use that also, ma'am. Uh, yeah, ma'am. In overall conclusion, we are included. We are like developed a wheelchair for of an person with of an vehicle movement and the health monitoring system with often caretaker can also observe the real time monitoring system, ma'am. This is my project, ma'am.
If vice chair, session chair, and internal chair have any queries, they can ask.
Navin sir,
Hello, ma'am.
once tell me this is an IoT project.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you registered for general?
General, I didn't get your point, ma'am.
You are registered for journal, IJRECA. Journal is there, no? You fill the form, Google form.
Yeah, ma'am. I fill the form.
You opted yes or no?
There, I no, ma'am.
Now, are you willing or not willing? If it is
Uh,
general, further
mm,
continue in general means you need to pay extra amount.
I having an idea that we need to pay extra 1,500 after
Ah,
it is open.
yes.
That
Then
okay, ma'am. That.
Are you willing or not? I am asking you.
For that, I'm willing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I am marking yes. Are you sent full paper?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sent.
Any issues in your paper? Other details or writing, anything?
No, ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Okay, no. Sir, Praveen sir?
Okay, yes,
Ma'am,
thank you. Yes, yes, please, you can ask first.
Once conclude me in one line what is done by using this project.
using this project, ma'am, we can observe the patient health monitoring system first. First one, wheelchair, we are having often movement using often gesture control, voice control, and the joystick control. By using these three, we are having often vehicle movement. For health monitoring system, we are integrated pulse sensor, a temperature sensor, and GPS for often location tracking. And also this, we are also added the using of a Telegram app, using Telegram bot. We caretaker can see the caretaker by giving the commands in that app. Caretaker can see the real time. Health monitor, like a real time condition of the patient, ma'am. Overall project.
Okay,
Sir.
means you have used Arduino.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I just want to know, means since you have done the this connection, or you have taken the help of anyone.
I have taken the help, sir.
Okay, means
My guide helped. My guide helped me.
okay. So
Supervisor
means
and
I don't
co-guide.
know which version you have used.
Arduino Uno we are used it, sir.
Okay, the version.
Uh, version.
Hmm.
Exactly, I do not remember the version, sir.
Okay. According to you, what do you think? What are the limitations of Arduino? You know, there are because my research are also comply with this. That's why I know many things regarding this. So means what are
Oh,
according to you? What do you think? What are the limitations of Arduino? You know.
Arduino Uno. Uh, it's a we having in this input and output pins we have. Wi-Fi control we did not have, sir. In this Wi-Fi module we did not have. For this Wi-Fi module, I used ESP32.
Uh, any other thing
Uh,
related to power, related to memory, anything? What about the how does it support any RTOS?
sir,
Which RTOS does it support?
autos.
Yes. Do you have any idea? Have you worked on it? Or you have
Yes,
just
sir.
only done the connections? Because
Sir,
as per the image, you have only done the connection, or you have really means spare some time with Arduino.
no, sir. We did the project combiningly. Our guy supervisor helped me.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
A reminder to all the participants, I request you to give a brief explanation since you just have 6 minutes for your presentation and rest 2 minutes are for questioning. Now I call Nanak from the Nanak Institute Technical Campus. Now we call K. Srija from Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology. I now invite Shruti Madai from Priyadarshini College of Engineering and Technology.
Instead of calling, can we take from the person who are available? Yes, 22 512 K Vijaya. Shirin ma'am. Means instead of
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll take like that, sir.
yes, means that means those who are available we can take because
Yes,
there
sir.
are
Yes.
many groups. Means more than I'm seeing in my list there are more than 20-25, no? And we have
Yes, sir.
just
There was
taken the
27,
level of
sir.
groups. Yes,
Okay, sir.
yes,
We'll go with whoever is there, sir.
Sir,
yes,
we are presenting. Sir,
yes,
Sure,
yes.
ma'am. Please continue.
Hurry.
yes. Good afternoon to everyone present. I am Shruti Madai and I am truly honored to present digital world. In today's digital age, visuals can go viral before facts can ever be checked. With the rise of AI, deepfakes are hyper realistic, but fake images and videos are becoming widespread. They aren't just digital tricks, they are seriously mislead, harm reputations, and spread misinformation. To address this growing threat, we developed Pixel Mind, a real-time web application that detects whether an image is real or AI generated. It uses powerful model vision transformer to catch pixel level anomalies in lighting, facial features, and texture, and often invisible to human eye. The backend is built using Flask, ensuring it's easy to use and highly efficient. Next, Pura, please change the slide. Can you hear me all?
Yes, yes, sure, ma'am.
Purva, please show the literature survey slide. Literature survey. Okay. To build a solid foundation, we studied some research papers. These studies introduced concepts like patchwise learning and explainable AI that helps us to understand how deepfake works and how to spot them. Now, to explain the methodology, I would like to invite my teammate Jyoti to continue the presentation. Jyoti?
Shruti, I will explain methodology. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shubhangi Maurkar. I am going to explain methodology. So, our project is based on deepfake detection application. So, I use here publicly available data set from the trusted sources like Kaggle. So, it contains both real and fake images. Next slide. Purva, change the slide.
Shubhangi, please continue.
The next step is pre-processing. Pre-processing is most confidential step for our project. We pre-process the data, like we clear the noisy data and convert the data into the standardized format. We convert that data into the 224 into 224 pixels. For the better accuracy, we perform this step. After that, we install the Anaconda software, which is most reliable for the machine learning libraries. So we install this, we set the environment for no interruption while implemented the project. And after that, we install the confidential library which is required for our model, like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas. For performed operations, we install all these libraries. The next process will be explained by the Jyoti Davane.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Let me quickly walk you through our methodology for detecting deepfakes. First, we focus on feature extraction. We use VIT model for spatial feature extraction from images, looking for fine details like inconsistent lighting, abnormal skin textures, or distorted facial features. To boost performance, we use pre-trained models like ExceptionNet, ResNet, and EfficientNet. These are already trained on large datasets. And then next, in the real-time deployment phase, we build our model using the same pre-trained architecture, adding layers specific to deepfake detection using transfer learning. The model quickly adapts and learns deepfake-specific patterns such as texture, irregularities, and facial inconsistencies. Then, finally, we evaluate performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall, and FN score. We also apply careful cross-validation to
We
ensure
are
the
ready.
in short, our approach is used to powerful deepfake learning model. So basically, like key feature of our web application is like we use Flask to handle user requests, then VIT model to detect deepfake using patterns from training, and in that like we use softmax function to convert raw outputs into probability score, and we show the probability based on that we conclude the result, and the response is in JSON form. Yeah. Further, Purva will continue.
Hello, uh, am I audible? Uh, I'm going to tell you about the applications of our model. So, first one is manipulated media detection. In this, AI models are trained to analyze visual content at a pixel level. The second application is social media monitoring, where deepfake videos often go viral before they can be taken down. So, AI-based tools now monitor social media platforms in real time so that they can scan content and flag suspicious videos. Third is media verification tools. AI also powers browser plugins and mobile apps that are used by journalists and fact checkers. Next is legal and forensic support. In the legal and forensic world, AI assistants investigate by verifying the authenticity of video and audio evidence. The next is real-time verification. Here the speed matters. AI system can now perform deepfake detection in real time, even while the content is being uploaded or streamed in real time. Next is security upgrade. Platforms like
Your time
Instagram.
is up. Please conclude.
Yes, ma'am. The last application is authentication and security. After this, our layout and working will be explained by our team member Anshika.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for this opportunity. So, concluding it fast, like layout is being defined as it being divided into the three parts. From where the front end part is the one where the user friendly interface is being built, so that the user can upload an image easily into our built-in website. Then these are being used by using Flask, which is used to serve the HTML pages into it. The second thing is the backend part. So backend is the main processing happens here when the image is being loaded here as a pre-processing task, and the PyTorch algorithm or the library is being used here to train a deep learning model. And the third part here, which plays a major important role, is the model, which we trained a deep learning model on the data set of real and deepfake images. This model is being saved and is used to predict an uploaded image to check whether that image is real or fake. Please, next slide. So the working of this model defines where the first step goes with as user uploads an image from the web interface. The second is image is sent to the Flask backend. In the third part, the backend loads a pre-trained PyTorch model and calculation has been all been done there. In the fourth, image is being pre-processed. Now the pre-processed here means it will check whether the image is being resized, normalized, the facial expressions are being checked, the skin tone, all these are being checked, and then the model have to perform with the expectations that we put into it, that these are the areas or these are the factors that you have to see and which detects whether the image is fake or real. So these are some of the examples which we did, and this is the front end and the major working part of our website. And in the last phase, the result is displayed on our web page. Please conclusion. So the conclusion states that it enhances the security and trust. The different models are being used here, such as Flask to user request, VIT, that is Vision Transformer model, to detect the deepfake images. Softmax training is being used to check the probabilistic score, and the JSON response is being there to show the clearly response of our website. So this is the conclusion, and further enhancement we can do from to shift it towards a social media platform, or either we can use it for a browser extension so that real time verification can be done in each and every aspect. Thank you.
If respected chairs have any queries,
Yes, ma'am.
chairs have any queries, please ask.
Yes, if there is any queries, ma'am, also you can please.
Srija, Srija only, na?
Anshika.
Okay. Are you registered for a
Yes, ma'am.
journal? Do you registered for journal for this paper?
Yes, ma'am. The registration part is being done by Shruti. So, Shruti, please can you check this? Did you register it?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I've done it.
Okay. And your authors and paper title, everything is okay? Any changes?
No, ma'am.
Everything is okay. Okay. You
Yes,
already
yes.
sent full paper also.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Praveen sir, you can ask any questions. Okay, ma. Anyone can tell me how this your project is used in real time? This is everything is implemented by using AI, na?
Yes.
Artificial intelligence. How it can be implemented in real time? Tell me.
Okay, so to get implemented in the real time, basically there are some of the scenarios in the social media platforms. Like take an example of Sara Ali Khan, whose image is being manipulated. So these, with the help of AI only, we are resolving this issue, as the issue is being created by AI and we are resolving it by AI. So these are the thing in the real time process we can use in the social media platforms. Also for the forensic part, it can be used. Majorly part are the Instagram and the Facebook, where these such type of misuse of an identity image is being there. Also, if we can in the future advancement, if we can shift it towards the browser extension, so that in the real time verification of a process, also in the law and news images also it can be used, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave.
Thank you.
Now we call, now we call P. Siddharth Krishna from Nanak Institute Technical Campus, followed by Santosh Kumar R. from Pondicherry University. I request you guys to be little brief and complete it within the time.
Okay, hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Please continue.
Yes, 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yeah, visible.
So, good afternoon, all the respected dignitaries, all the faculty members, and my fellow participants. I am Siddharth Krishna. I am from Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus. I want to present my paper on enhanced KYC process using Ethereum blockchain framework. These are my co-authors. This is the overview of my project. My abstract is about KYC. KYC is required for bank verification. Without KYC, a customer is not a valid member in the bank. And without KYC, there are many these things scams happening. So my blockchain technology, using this project and using blockchain technology, we can do KYC of a customer, and the documents of the customer will be safe because it is stored in blockchain. So these are the objectives of my project: sustainable solution in efficient onboarding, enhanced security, cost and time reduction, seamless data access, regulatory compliance. So this is how blockchain works. First, a transaction is requested, then it is in a block. Then that block is sent to every node in the network, and every node in the network validates, and the block is safe in the network. This is the existing system of KYC. Uh, KYC is generally done in manual process. The bank takes Xerox copies of Aadhaar card, PAN card, and all those things, and stores them. So that is a very old way of verification. These are drawbacks of that. And one more drawback is the data can be easily tampered or stolen because it is not very safe in a real world scenario. This is the proposed system. Uh, every customer will have a blockchain based identity, and the documents will be decentralized. These are the advantages of proposed system. Security is enhanced, and the transactions are immutable. So there is efficiency increased. These are the system modules in the bank. In the bank KYC app, customer module, he has to register, login, and upload KYC documents. And bank module has to verify that the smart contract is a contract between customer, his KYC documents, and the bank. They are deployed on EVM. These are other modules. This is the system architecture. On the left hand side, we can see the traditional uh, KYC system. A customer has to submit to the bank, and then bank, there is a lot of process in that. And blockchain saves everything. Everything is digitalized and secure. This is the implementation. There is customer login, everything. So customer has to create an account by registering here. After registering, the bank has to verify that. Unless bank verification, the customer will not get any account number or IFSC number, anything. For transactions, he has to apply for KYC. Uh, Without KYC, the customer cannot do any transactions. These are transaction things. Conclusion: blockchain enhances security and transparency. The data will be immutable, and decentralized storage cuts the intermediates and duplication. Smart contract is cannot is smart contract cannot be broken between the customer, bank, and the KYC documents. There is a lot of privacy. No, I'm open to questions. Sir. No. Thank you.
Siddharth,
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
did you register for German? I just you have.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And you send the complete paper also, and all details are clear. Author ID and author names, paper title,
Yes,
everything is okay.
yes, ma'am.
Praveen sir, can you ask any questions?
Yes. Yes, means your the topic is enhanced bank KYC process using Ethereum blockchain. Means can you please
Yes,
explain,
sir.
elaborate? I was little bit, means I have joined in the mid. Means how blockchain you have included in your KYC?
Yes, sir. Blockchain is
Just a
a
short.
technology where.
I just wanted to know.
Okay, sir. One second. Uh, blockchain is a technology where data is stored in blocks, and each block
That
is
I know.
secure.
That I know. I'm just interested to how you have means ki what you map the blockchain technology with the KYC, because when I've
Okay,
joined
sir.
your session, you are saying that there are some means delay process in KYC, something like that in the previous last four
Yeah,
slides. Yes.
yeah, sir. Previously, in traditional KYC system, it is everything is manual, sir. S- So in blockchain KYC system, the KYC documents, the Aadhaar card, PAN card, and all that, they are uploaded into cloud. Then a smart contract is created between customer, bank, and KYC documents.
Don't you think that this technology may means how will you means protect with the cyber attack? Means if you're putting all those things in a cloud, and as we all know now, clouds are not so safe. So how will you protect those data from the theft?
The data is hashed, sir, using SHA, using SHA 512.
SSL
The data
512.
is hashed.
Do
Yes.
you do you really think means SHA really works for this cloud? Because one of
Not
my student is doing the same exactly same project. That's why I'm more interested in this.
okay. So I I didn't do proper research, sir. Actually.
No. Please, sir, don't take it in the another way. I just wanted means I would just suggest please go through it. It's a very nice topic. Now recently, what is happening means now people are doing hacking on KYC also. Okay, your
Hmm.
project is good, your theme is good, but I just wanted to request you to please enhance various cyber security aspects also in this project, because now what is happening, there are n number of cyber attacks are happening on KYC. Now people have started making a fake call for KYC, and if we are means uploading all the documents to the cloud, what is the guarantee that means that data will not get theft, or that data may not might not get leaked?
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
Because now your Aadhaar number is now generalized. Okay, it's not a big task to extract your Aadhaar card number. Okay, Aadhaar number is easily accessible. PAN number is easily accessible. Okay,
Yes.
okay, your phone number is also accessible. They are having all three things with them.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, and now with the help of various AI modules, okay, means you can they can also encrypt your voice also.
Yes, sir.
There are many cases are coming.
So we can integrate cyber security things like intrusion detection in
I
that.
just wanted to suggest that please integrate some kind of cyber security algorithm as well. Your paper is
Yes.
good, topic is good. Okay, I'm not criticizing on your topic. Please don't take like that. Okay, I just
Yes, sir.
wanted to suggest.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'll try that.
thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Next, I will call Shanta Kumar from Pondicherry University.
Excuse me, we are the next batch, Bargo, Ncft 199.
Please tell after this.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. My screen is visible, ma'am. My audio also clear. Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Santakumar from Pondicherry University, and I here with my co-authors presented a paper titled on Social hijacking in cybersecurity, threats, prevention, strategies, and future directions. Abstract. Session hijacking is the critical cybersecurity issues is involved attackers taking control of active user sessions, gaining an unauthorized access to private data. These presentations explores attack methods, impacts, and robust prevention strategies like token validation, encryption, and AI-based detection. And then introduction, actually the threats and attack methods. In digital world, in web interaction and constant session hijacking occurs when an attacker taken control of a valid session, usually by stealing for correcting session tokens. In attacks is commonly used packet sniffing and cross-site scripting and middleman attacks. And then impact and importance. The impact is the serious for individual. It can mean the financial loss, identity theft, and personal data compromise. For business, the result of reputational damages and regulatory penalties and loss of customer trust. And preventive measures. The threats several preventive strategies are essential, like encryption protocols like HTTPS to secure communication, and token validation to ensure the total tokens legitimates, and secure key management using HTTP only secure flags, and multi-factor authentication MFA for additional verification identification, AI based anomaly detection to flag suspicious behavior in real time, and specifically attack MITM in middleman attacks on in a middleman attack an attacker will secretly rely on the alternative communication between two parties. With the cross-site scription, hackers inject a malicious script into the trust websites. They are scripting the steal session in tokens when executing the unsuspected users. Unrelated works. Actually, the player researches these categories, session hijacking by method, XSS and MITM or sniffing. In studies, the emphasis to need for secure token handling the robust encryption. Advanced defense includes AI and ML models to monitoring the session behavior from the direct analysis, total regeneration and short session duration to the limit express, and the intrusion detection systems that responds proactively to suspicious activity. And then proposed system. The proposed system, we can system introducing a layer defined and combining both traditional and advanced technique. The key features they are including in session, secure session token bound to IP addresses and device fingerprints with short expiration. And the second point, end-to-end encryption, E2EE for the client server data exchanges, and AI-driven anonymity detection that tracks user behavior patterns in MFC, in enforcement, not just logging, but also in sensitive actions like fund transaction or profile changes. And then comparative analysis. The comparative analysis we can do traditional defenses for our system offers in strong real-time detection and better adaptability to evolving threats in layer-wide production that covers user behavior, session integrity, and community security. And then methodology. We using the hybrid methodology that boosts analysis and design force focused. It integrates token security via cryptographic binding and AI-driven behavior monitoring, encryption and MFA for computation protection. Future prospects. The looking ahead says several advancement holding promises. Deep learning for improved anonymous detection and reinforcement learning to adapt a new attack patterns and blockchain to store a session in token security but immutable. And biometric automation authentication to add another layer of security, and most importantly, user awareness, because even the best system can fail if the user are not informed. And then my conclusion paper, session hijacking is a real and rising threat. While traditional methods may provide some protection, today is a very complex attacks demand from the more advanced defenses. Our proposed system is combined with the AI and encryption, total security, and user level control are offer a reliability and future ready to defense. As cybersecurity threat continue to evolve, so must our tool and awareness. And these are my reference of my paper. And then thank you.
Chairs have any queries, please ask.
No questions.
Sarat Kumar?
Yes, ma'am, Santa Kumar.
Santa Kumar. Are you registered for journal?
Yes, ma'am.
Paper? You have submitted full paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Any changes in a title or any
No, ma'am.
authors? Everything is okay.
No changes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Let's welcome the next participant, P. Bhargav from Guru Nanak Institute Technical Campus.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Ashwant, along with my team, Bhargav and Bhagya Lakshmi, are going to present our project. Bhargav, could you please share your screen right now? So, our project title is Safe Video Transmission to Advanced Encryption. So, can you go to overview, Bhargav? So right now we are going to explain about the overviews. As you can see, we have the first abstract, objective, literature survey, existing system, proposed system architecture, and the conclusion. Next slide. So basically, our project aim is to secure a video transmission through advanced cryptography. For example, if we take any video in this time in this online platform, any video is uh, might be in the risk of hacking or anything. Video is something, an evidence of any particular company or anything. In this project we enable secure video processing. We also use encryption for the video, and we also embed watermarking so that no one could be able to hack it or try to change the content of the video content. It would be able watermarking embedding would be easy for the user to identify the specific video or a file. We use for this we also use video encryption and also decryption. User can register and log in and upload video along with watermarking for processing according to the user interest. First of all, we for this we use semi-secret sharing along with OpenCV. Next slide. Bhago, next slide, please. As you can see from the objectives, this project ensures secure video processing and storage, and also enable controlled access through user authentication, and implement robust key management and watermarking protection. The whole project idea is to secure a video without being interacted, and to be able to be identified with the help of watermarking embedded in it, which represent the user or a company, a particular company, to identify it. Next slide, please. As you can see, these are the literature survey that we have taken into considerations, and we learned from this. These are the two literature survey. And next slide. And these are the another two literature survey that we have taken from IEEE papers, which have helped in our research. And my friend Bhagyalakshmi will continue right now.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhagya Lakshmi. Now I'm going to explain existing system. The existing system for video transmission primarily relies on traditional encryption techniques such as symmetric and asymmetric algorithms. While these methods effectively ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity, they face significant challenges due to advancing computing capabilities that make them more vulnerable to brute force and cryptographic attacks. Many systems currently utilize secure sockets layer for secure transmission over the internet, adding a layer of protection. Next slide. Existing system drawbacks are vulnerability to attacks, quantum computing threat, inadequate security measures. Traditional encryption methods are increased to brute force and cryptographic attacks due to advancing computational power. The rise of quantum computing poses a significant risk to the security of conventional encryption algorithms. While providing a layer of security may not all fully protect against cyber threats. Next slide. And the proposed system is a Flask-based web application designed to deliver secure video processing encryption and watermark embedding with a strong focus on user authentication and data
Go to methodology. Go to methodology and explain what project is going to be for.
Good good afternoon. This is our system architecture where our whole project runs, where we are uploading the video and we are splitting the video and the audio separately, and every video is split into frames as well as bits, and after splitting into bits, the color and the black and white part of the video is split separately and stored, and the audio also stored separately, and this is the whole process done. The splitting of the frames and splitting of the colors is done by OpenCV, and this is the encryption process of the video. The quite opposite process of the video is decryption
Your
process.
time is up. Please conclude.
Oh, yes, yes. Yes. The main mode of the project is to deliver a video safely and securely from sender to the receiver, because mostly nowadays most of the companies videos are hacking, and during while sending you through WhatsApp or Telegram, and they may lose the video, and they may blackmail. To avoid the problem, we have developed this, where the only authorized users can access the our site, and they can transfer the video, they can encrypt, and by using the same key, they can decrypt. By using this, we can securely share the video. That's
If respected chairs have any queries, please ask.
No question from my side.
Bhargav,
yes, ma'am.
are you registered for a conference? That journal?
No, ma'am.
No. Are you willing or not willing? Seven.
No, ma'am. We are not willing to register.
But you can opt for, because your topic is good. Bhargav, I would suggest.
Okay, sir.
You can means if because as per presentation and as per the working model, you can go for journal. What I suggest.
Okay, sir.
Topic is good.
Okay, sir. I will discuss with my co-authors and I will proceed.
Sure.
Okay, after discussion also you can inform me. Okay.
Okay.
And any changes are there in your paper and
No, ma'am. It's already done.
everything is fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now we invite K. Varsha from Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus.
Good afternoon, all. Let me share my screen.
Is it Sri Varsha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sri Varsha, your Sai Varsha, Sri Varsha.
Sai Varsha, ma'am.
Your paper is not in included author details, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I will include, ma'am, after this presentation.
You have to include and your paper is not in IEEE format also.
Okay.
Both you can update and send me after presentation immediately.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, go for it. You are registered for IJS 7
Yes,
journal.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Continue the presentation.
What's your paper ID?
Ncft 200, sir.
200. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, all. We are pleased to present our major project presentation on generalized approach for the field of view mass segmentation fundus retinal imaging. We will walk you through these topics: that abstract, objective, introduction, literature survey, existing system, and these all. And now coming to the abstract, in our project, we have replaced the traditional OTS2 method with the unit architecture because of the OTSU method was not giving the accurate results, so we have replaced that OTSU with the unit architecture. Here are some pre-processing techniques. Like the first step was, first we have to convert the retinal image to grayscale method, and the second one is logarithmic transformation. It will give the precise segmentation. And the next is the objective. The main objective of our project is to develop a automated segmentation model, so that it will give the accurate detections and segmentation. And also it will predict that if there is any retinal abnormalities in a retinal image, it will also predict that. Next, coming to the introduction, accurate segmentation is difficult in traditional OTS2 methods. So we have replaced that OTS2 method with a unit uh, architecture, and it will give the accurate results. And the literature survey. From the literature survey, we have studied that the traditional OTS2 methods are not suitable for the complex retinal abnormalities. Unit architecture is suitable because it has the grayscale method and the logarithmic functions. And next will be continued by my group member Caleb.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Varsha, for explaining the previous topics. I would like to explain the proposed system of our current project called Okay. Coming to proposed system, UNIT is a highly effective convolutional neural network architecture designed for image segment task widely
So
used.
PT is not means ki is getting changed. I think means the thing that you are saying is not mapping with the thing that we are seeing in the screen. I request you to please check it once.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
First, I would like to repeat again. Proposed system unit offers. Okay, unit is a highly effective convolutional neural network architecture designed for image segmentation tasks. It is also widely used in medical imaging, particularly for for imaging the fundus analysis, like eye fundus analysis. It actually plays a crucial role in segmentation of FOV, that is field of view, and it also identifies autonomial structures like optical disc, blood vessels, and also retinal layers. This model excels at capturing fine details which has higher resolution while preserving spatial information, making it ideal for detecting retinal abnormalities such as diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma. Like diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma are some kind of uh, abnormal things which are detected in our fundus and retina. The architecture consists of a contracting part. It is an encoder and an expanding part called decoder. It works together.
Again, your architecture is not viewable. Can you
Sir, the
present a
slide
web
is
me?
not changing in my laptop, sir.
Slide is not changing, but you can go to presentation now.
Yeah, sir.
Share your screen completely, and share it. Because while sharing, share the complete screen.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, is it okay now?
It's okay, please go to the slide where the teammate is explaining. If two members are presenting, one of them can off. It's going to be a
Khalid, can you share
presentation.
your screen?
If there's a technical issue from now, that will present to again and then. बारे बारे में Let's welcome our next participant, K.S. Smita from Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus.
Ma'am, I am Muhammad Rahman. I will present now, ma'am.
Yes, you can proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nasing Nitish Kumar, and my team members are Prithviraj and Mohammed Abdul Mahmoud Rahman. And our project is wait a minute. Advancing employee attrition prediction using graph-based learning and explainable AI. An abstract. Rahman, could you share? Could you open the presentation?
Yes, I am opening. Yes.
Your voice is not in. Please check your internet connection.
I have network issue, ma'am. So little bit.
Excuse me, please leave for myself to this more kind. Since you have networking issues, let's continue presentation at last. Let's follow this because there is no time. Next is Sushmita. Let's continue.
Let me present the PPT. Good afternoon, everyone. We are here pleased to present our paper titled AI powered detection of online job scams, a deep learning approach as a part of the NCFT 2025. I am Sushmita and I am presenting this along with my team members, Vamshi and Sai Kumar. The overview of this presentation consists of abstract, objective, introduction, literature survey, existing system, proposed system, system architecture, system modules, execution status, future enhancements, and conclusions. Here, this project addresses the growth issue of the fraudulent job posting online, and we use an algorithm model to detect the scam in job ads. We created a new data set for three sources balanced in using SMOTE, which is a synthetic minority oversampling techniques, and found that LSTM, which is an long short term memory networks to detect the fraud of the job and significantly improve detection accuracy also. Next, the objective. Our objective is develop an effective LSTM based system for detecting the fake job ads. We tackle the limitations of outdated datasets and use various techniques to address the class imbalance. Ultimately, we aim to improve the fraud detection and reduce the online recruitment scams. Introduction. Online job scams are one of the rise posing threats to the job seekers who are searching for the jobs, and we focus on these LSTM networks due to their ability to capture the
textual patterns in job postings. We also use SMOTE to balance our data sets, improving the model performances for the job seekers. Next, our literature survey. We have studied on various papers. They explored the fraud detections using machine learnings and for detecting the fake job posts by the job providers. And this is some use they also used the by LSTM and achieved high accuracy. Others combined NLP with traditional machine learning also.
Go to
These
next slide, ma. Methodology. Skip the literacy survey. Go to next slide.
the existing system. Currently, systems use models like BERT and BERT, which is stands for bidirectional encoder representations from the transformers, and this is also used in existing systems with a natural language. Sorry, and traditional machine learning techniques. However, they often suffer from overfitting, highly complexity, and poor performance. These are the drawbacks of the existing system are complex of the data and overfitting. This is also expensive. Proposed system. We propose using the natural language
Please
toolkit,
make it fast
which
and try to conclude the session resolution.
okay. The advantages of proposed algorithm is easy to use and flexible and comprehensive to use by any others. And next will be continuing by our teammate Vamshi.
Thank you, Sushmita. This is Vamsi, and I'm continuing the rest of the things. And in the system architecture, we are focusing on mainly three things: user, admin, and recruiter. Internally, we are working on the
On
training the
the video
data.
also.
Sorry.
You can on the video.
Okay. So actually, I was in outside. So
Okay, continue.
uh, so internally, we are working on the training the data and using some machine learning algorithm to provide the data to the user. And next, we are continuing with the system modules. So in the system modules, these are the steps we included in the algorithm: data collection, feature extraction, and splitting the data, building LST model, model comparison, and model training, and model evaluation. And then these are the 7 steps we are internally working on. Next. So this is the execution status. So first, when the user opens, it shows a home page, and next the login page where the user can log in so that they can verify the job fake or real. Next. So then with the job description portal where they need to copy and paste the job description from the portal and paste it here so that the machine learning algorithm detects whether the job is real or fake. It shows as a real page. And this is the internal page where it is the internal page of the job classification distribution, like how it is going and how accurately the job is there. And the rest of the things is continued by Sai-Kumar from future enhancements.
Thank you, Himanshi. In in future enhancements for a system focusing on improving fraud detections, these enhancements include expanding the dataset with diverse job postings using multi-modal data like images and company details, applying advanced NLP techniques for deeper text understanding, handling class imbalance with synthetic data, regularly updating the model to detect new tactics, implementing active learning for human assistance, and improving the user interface for better interaction. Coming to software system requirements, in software requirements, we have used the Python latest version 3.12. In hardware, Intel Core i5 generation, we have used 8th generation. In conclusion, overall, the project improves accuracy in detecting job fraud, making online jobs applications much safer. Thank
If any
So,
queries,
if there are any queries, please let me know.
Sushmita? Sushmita,
Yes, ma'am.
are you registered for German?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any issues in your paper, authors, title, everything is okay?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay. But your paper is having, okay, everything is fine. You sent full paper?
Yes, ma'am. I have sent it.
Okay. Okay.
G. Ashrita from Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus will be presented.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Shintika, try to make your presentation as fast as possible as we don't have much time.
Okay, I'll take just few minutes, and our title is about creating a machine learning pipeline for image classification using Azure Databricks. And coming to the abstract, here, this project mainly focuses on uh, classifying the image using Azure Databricks. We are using Azure Databricks here, and we are classifying the image based on the pixels of the image. And here we used machine learning algorithms, and this project presents the development of a scalable and efficient machine learning pipeline uh, using Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is an Apache Spark-based analytics platform. With Azure Databricks and machine learning capabilities, the pipeline automates data ingestion, transformation, model training, and evaluation to ensure high accuracy in image classification tasks. Coming to objective, the objective of this project is uh, to understand the image easily without any difficulties, just by training the model using machine learning algorithms. Coming to introduction, here we are using Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is a cloud-based unified analytics platform built on Apache Spark, designed for building, deploying, sharing, and maintaining enterprise-grade data analytics and AI solutions. Um, uh, Image classification is a great topic for nowadays, and using this Azure Databricks, we can classify the image easily. And existing system for these projects are Hive and RDBMS. Hive is a cloud-based warehouse system which works on the top of Hadoop, and Hadoop has three parts in it, that HDFS, MapReduce, and uh, okay. Coming to RDBMS, RDBMS is a relational database management system. It is also a type of uh, warehouse where we can store data in the form of tables. And coming to proposed system, here we use
Chandrika,
Databricks.
Chandrika,
Yes, ma'am.
continue with the methodology, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Skip this proposed literature survey. Okay? Go with the methodology direct.
Okay, in the methodology, we used Azure Databricks, and first to for this project we created a Databricks account.
Please switch to methodology slide, please. Okay.
Uh, I mean, this is the result page. Before that, we in the after entering credentials for our Azure Databricks account, we'll go to the homepage and we need a resource called Azure Databricks. We need to create the Azure Databricks resource and we need to launch it. After launching, we need to enter our input as in the form of code in the language Python. And after connecting to the cluster will um, connect start when we connect it to the Azure Databricks account. So after starting the cluster, we can enter our data as the input in the figure 1, and here we gave figure pixels as background colors, features, and some other data of the figure, I mean image. By taking the input, the model will train the data using a logistic regression of random forest algorithms, and it will generate the output as using labels. The labels will be as 0 and 1. We during the input time, we should mention the label 0 as a certain image or 0 1 as a certain image. After training the model, the output will be if the features matched with the one label 1 of the image, then it will generate in the predicted class. For example, if we label 1 as cat and label 2 0 as dog, it will predict as cat or dog using the algorithm. This is the project. In conclusion, here we are creating a machine learning pipeline which is very highly efficient, scalable, and collaborative environment for developing machine learning models. Here we this ADB Azure Databricks uses Apache Spark, which is a lightning fast unified analytics engine for big data processing and machine learning. The languages we can use in this Apache Spark are PySpark, Java, Python, Scala. That's it. The architecture, system architecture is the Databricks architecture. Here the we can see this architecture has two parts: control plane and compute plane. Control plane includes the backend services is processed, and there are two types of compute plane: serverless compute and
Please
classic
answer
Azure
the timings
database
up.
compute. That's it.
Chase, if you have any queries, please ask.
No questions.
2:30 na, Shrita.
Yes, ma'am.
2:30.
Yeah, I mean,
Uh,
we are okay 20 minutes
okay,
back.
okay. Are you registered for general?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After completing this, you need to give the feedback also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Next week, next week, Diksha.
So I'm getting ready with my team. Just give me 1 minute. Is my screen visible?
Please make it fast. Please make
Yeah.
it.
So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dikshit Rao, and I'm here along with my team to present my project. So, leveraging machine learning for improved detection of Medicare fraud. So, coming to our project, so our project is mainly based on detecting medical frauds that can be happen and that can be caused by many human people around the world. So, in current world, everyone is making an insurance for their healthcare, and they are making a false statements over their claim. To detect this medical fraud, we are using machine learning, but with a twist. One of the biggest issues in fraud detection is that medical frauds are extremely rare compared to genuine ones. So this imbalance makes the most ML models by a cell. Like, uh, so in our project, we are using machine learning algorithms to categorize and detect frauds and non-fraudulent data. So here we are using uh, novel hybrid resampling approach, which combines multi-NN with categorical feature extraction to balance the imbalanced data sets. Imbalanced data set refers to noisy data and some things, and logistic regression classifier, and noise and overfitting mitigation evaluation with AUPRC emphasis. And coming to the objectives of projects, so we focus on tackling imbalanced data sets in healthcare fraud detection. And the data set we are going to use is Medicare Part B claims data, which is available on internet. And in our proposed approach, we are using Smart ENN, where we combine our existing system and Smart ENN. So our goal is to improve dataset balance and diversity. And here the model used is logistic regression for classification. So introduction. So coming to the introduction of our project, healthcare fraud is massive. It leads to huge financial losses and also delays and which can impact on your patient while he or she going for a medical claim in the hospital, which makes genuine medical claimers a major issue. So fraudulent cases can be exist anywhere. So our
Dixit,
study,
Dixit,
yes.
can you explain the methodology?
Uh, so
No need of proposed and existing. Explain
okay,
with the system architecture and the results.
yeah, my teammate Aarti will explain this.
Yes. The system architecture is telling about where input claims the data, and by applying feature extraction, here we use data pre-processing and fraud detections and predictions. Then next slide. System models are data collection, data label analysis. Data collection means gathering Medicare claims, and data label analysis means check whether cases are fraud and which aren't. And annotations means clean or add missing labels. Then pre-processing means extract features, handle imbalance. By applying model, train and evaluate the model. By using UI design, build a simple user interface and detects the output predictions. Next. In execution, this is the login page of the output. Next. Here, by input, it claims the input by predicting the Medicare fraud detection.
So in our project, in input page, we enter the data based on the previous data we are having. So here for each thing, we use a binary classifier like zeros and ones. So zero represent the true cases and one represent the false cases. So based on this input, we are going to detect whether the claim is fraud or.
Yeah,
Prithviraj will continue.
yeah. So we begin with data collection and processing. So there here we clean the data and organize the employee data. So then we generate the knowledge graph which structure the data into nodes and relationships. So and GCN model is then applied to this graph to learn from both individual attributes and then interconnections. After training, we use LSTM model to classify whether an employee is likely to stay or leave. So we integrate XAI, explainable AI techniques, which generate interpretability outputs, highlighting which features most influence the predictions. And we also use structures like adjacent tree matrix and node embeddings to feed relational data into model more effectiveness. And then system requirements. We use.
See, don't repeat the slide again and again. Just move it fast.
Yeah. So, in system requirements for hardware, we use dual core processor, 2 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage, which is quite minimal. On the software side, we have used JSP and servlets for the front end interface and struts for framework, and MySQL 5.5. And to conclude it, by using knowledge graphs, we capture relational data that most models ignore. With GCNs, we extract powerful patterns from the graphs, improving and prediction accuracy. The
Okay, next.
models are.
Next slide.
Yeah. So the model's accuracy reaches 92.5%, which is quite good. The use of explainable AI makes the system transparent. This enables organizations to take proactive and personalized measures like offering training, changing roles, or improving engagement ultimately. So overall, the system isn't just about predictions; it also making informed decisions that drive retentions. Thank you.
Okay. Next person. Next one.
Paper ID 148, no?
Yes, ma'am.
148.
Next 148.
148 is completed, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Okay, next 149. Over.
We will share now.
Ma'am, we will share screen.
Next number ఇవ్వండి. It exists color.
Ncft 200 paper ID.
Okay, audible?
Yeah, audible. Continue.
What's up? We'll start.
Good
Yeah,
afternoon, everyone. We are
Okay,
pleased to
fine.
present our major project presentation on title Generalized Approach for the Field of Human Segmentation, Fundus Retinal Imaging. And next slide, please.
200 already completed, ma. Sai Varsha.
Hello.
Ma'am, they said to present again, so we are presenting again.
No. Already you completed, Nama.
Okay.
So we need to give some time to another participants.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Time is short. Just leave there.
Next presentation will be given by Venkatesh.
Yeah. I will
Thank you.
Next 289.
Sir.
Be ready and go for first. No.
Yeah, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, continue. Fast.
Good afternoon, everyone, and respecting faculty. We are presenting our paper title, A Novel Digital Audio Encryption and Watermarking Scheme, under the paper ID of 289 at the National Conference on Futuristic Technologies 2025. Our team co-authors consist of Venkatesh as myself and K. Rahul, Praneeth.
Okay. Go to direct abstract. Go to abstract.
Yeah. Coming to abstract, this project purpose a robust encryption and forensic watermarking scheme to protect data or
Change the slide.
Yeah.
Change the slide and go to abstract directly.
Yes, sir. I'm an abstract. Hello?
Yeah. Audible.
Yes, sir. I'm in the abstract slide only. Yeah. This project purpose a robust encryption and forensic watermarking schemes. This to protect digital audios or in third-party cloud services. It uses AES, GCM, and Fernet encryption and PBKDF2 HMAC.
Why you are not changing the slide?
Sir, I changed.
Showing the first page.
No, sir, I have changed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please, just a minute. I forget to note. Please. What's the paper number? Paper ID?
289, sir.
Sorry.
289.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And coming to our abstract. Yeah. It is also includes DWT basic watermarking for tamper detection and audio recovery after attacks. The aim is to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and resilience for appliances like secure communication and digital rights management. Coming to our objective is to create and secure an attack resistant audio encryption system which will be having the perspective strong encryption using AES GCM and robust watermarking using DWT and for forensic capability, efficient processing with frame-based comprehension. Overall, the system is designed to be quantum safe and storage efficient. And coming to introduction, with with audio increasingly stored in the cloud environments, securing it from unauthorized access to attempting has become a vital. Traditional methods like DFT-based watermarking are weak against attacks like comprehension or noise. Our system improves this by combining strong encryption by forensic watermarking, enabling both security and recovery. In case of attacks, applications include secure storage, digital rights, and protection and forensic analysis will be here. And coming to literature survey, we studied existing research papers to build a strong foundation. And coming to paper one, a secure and robust audio watermarking scheme using DWT by Kang Edit AI in 2003 used a DWT to embed watermarking in low frequency areas to resist compression and noise. Coming to paper two, digital audio watermarking using spread spectrum and psychologistic model by Eggers and Grit 2001 used to models to hide watermarking in potentially important audio parts for better resilience against attacks. And next will be continued by Vijaya. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Am I audible? Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm Vidya.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Current systems for protecting audio files mostly use old methods like AES and RSA for encryption and simple techniques like DFT and LFP for adding watermarks. While these gives basic protection, they have some major drawbacks. Next, please. They can be easily affected by files compression, adding noise, etc. Most don't have any way to detect if audio was changed. If the audio is tempered, they can't recover the original content. Like handling encryption keys is often complicated. Uh, no They get damaged by compressing noise or editing. They can't detect or fix tempered audios. Watermarks can be removed or raised easily. Managing encryption keys is complicated. They need a lot of processing power, so there are not good for real time users. Next, the proposed system gives better protection for
Hello.
audio. Yes, ma'am.
Vijaya, no need
Yes.
to explain proposal to existing. You have to explain your project. Directly go to your results page, ma'am.
Yes.
Screenshots.
Now my friend will be continued, ma'am.
No, okay. Do it fast. Time is already full time only left. Pranit Reddy, your voice is not audible. Unmute your mic, Pranit Reddy.
In simple, this project is about keeping audio files by doing two main things. They are encryption and watermarking. Encryption means keeping the lock to the audio so that the right person can use it. In our proposed system, the logged audio can be unlocked correctly in each and every time. The hidden watermark stays even after the attacker is trying to damage the audio, and still the audio feels good. If someone try to change or break the audio in this proposed system, we can fix it by automatically. The system can fix it, find and fix it easily. In this way, it is safe even from future computers also. The system is very safe for storing audio
Please
files
continue your presentation.
online. It's hard to
Please
break.
continue your presentation.
Ma'am? Okay, ma'am.
Please conclude.
The system is very safe for storing audio files online, and it is hard to break the audio or hack. Keeps the data private and original for future proof. Completed. Thank you.
Is it industry sponsored project? Is it related to some industry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please show me your first slide. Please show me your first slide.
Yes.
Okay. And the working model. Slide number 7 or 8. Slide number 7, 8. Slide number 7, 7.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. Just one. Don't you think that you have taken this literature survey too long? It's near about 24 years long. The paper that you are referring is of 2001.
Yeah, sir.
Don't you think that you are taking a reference of, you are taking very old reference?
Yes, sir, it is. But we hope by taking this reference, we got the more idea about what the digital audio watermarking approach and leverages what will be happening in the type of securing the audio.
But right now there are many researches going on. You might be having maybe various IEEE papers on this particular topic or co-related topic on this.
Yes, sir. There will be, but
this is very old paper that.
Yeah, sir. We will be changing it out. We will be updating to a new paper, and we will be doing it again.
Next one, ready? Oh, next paper, you can leave, ma. Next batch, ready with your presentation.
Now you can come out of brief from Nanak Institute's technical campus.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready. Hello.
Okay, ma'am, start. Start.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, our topic is personalized book intelligent recommendation system. So, our main project is about, ma'am, is my screen visible?
Visible only, continue.
Visible. You go. Okay. So, sir, our main project is like we are creating like a website on which like web application on which the user can refer to the books and after that rate the books and using that ratings the system gives them personalized recommendations like recommendation for the university borrowing services. So our objective is to main develop a website application for which we are using neural collaborative filtering and also Django, Pandas, and NumPy. Uh, as I've said earlier, we are creating a personalized library service where it will be used in the university's like library systems where the borrowers can take the books from the system from the university and after the preferences like choosing the preferences and then rating the books on that basis they will be giving the ratings, and after that ratings, the neural network or the system will analyze the ratings and then give them personalized recommendations on their on the website or other application based on their portals. So actually, there are some existing systems, but the existing systems, like if someone is borrowing a book, so they are giving the similar
No
recommendations
need
to
of
other people.
explaining.
Okay,
Bhargav, go to the methodology directly. Results
okay,
page.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, ma'am, the continuation of this presentation will be explained by Aman.
Amar,
Good
start
afternoon, ma'am.
immediately.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, my laptop doesn't have a proper connection with my given camera, ma'am. So, can I give my presentation with just turning my audio, ma'am?
Okay, okay, continue.
So, just the system will ask us the system will ask us the username and the password for the end user, ma'am. After giving the logins, we will be asking to give some interest in the item based collaboration, ma'am. So M1, M2, M3, MN, these are the 5 books we have recommended to the laptop, ma'am. So the Django,
starting from the bound, price bound.
so the Django uses the mechanism. The Django mechanism uses the 5 recommended books and
Aman, Aman,
ma'am,
Aman, can you conclude your project for conclude?
ma'am, the personal book recommend system is the system in which we can enhance the university library service by getting books of our interest, ma'am. Based on collaborative filtering algorithm and neural collaborative filtering, the system enhance our enhance our book we have recommended to the mechanism, and it gives 2-3 books that matches with our recommendation, ma'am.
Praveen sir, any questions? Praveen sir, any questions? Okay, ma, next. You can leave
No
now.
question. No questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you, ma'am.
Next, you are ready with your presentation.
Ashwita, you can present. Ashwita?
Yeah, sure. Let me share my screen, please.
Okay, just make it brief, okay?
Huh? Come again?
Make it fast, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ashweta, along with my co-authors, Badam Vashit Reddy, and we are under the guidance of Abhay Topo. Unfortunately, he couldn't join us. He has some medical emergency. So the title of our project is YOLO version 10 based road object detection in adverse weather conditions. Wait, let me on my video. Yeah, this is a project YOLO version 10 based road object detection in adverse weather conditions. And we are from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Nanak institutions. And the agenda of our today's presentation is I'll start with abstract objectives, introduction, existing system, proposed system.
Explain your abstract first. After that, directly go to the architecture and results. No need of proposal and exposition. Okay. After completion of abstract, you can show me the results.
Sure. Object detection on roads become like extremely challenging thing nowadays, especially during the adverse weather conditions, like during the fog and during the huge rainy scenes. So our project will help us to detect objects very clearly during these adverse weather conditions by using the advanced pre-process techniques as well as dehazing techniques. Dehazing techniques is nothing but it will remove the foggy thing, and it will show you the clear images. Like it will provide a clear visibility. It also optimizes the feature extraction. That means it integrates an advanced lightweight models, and it also improves the efficiency. And then there are actually the three main objectives of our project. The primary objective of our project is to improve the vehicle and pedestrians detection, like to improve the accuracy in of their detection during the adverse weather conditions. And the second most important objective of our project is to enhance the image quality by using the pre-processing techniques and also the dehazing techniques that will improve the visibility, and it also helps you to provide the accurate results. Then the third objective of our project is to provide the computational efficiency by integrating the lightweight YOLO version. So we were developing a project based on a YOLO version 8. YOLO version 8, basically what it will do is it will perform.
Show me your results, screenshots. Show me the screenshots of results.
Yeah, this is our home page where you can register and where you can log in as well. User interface basically. And then this is our login page, a simple login screen that provides a secure access for the users, those who are using our applications. And then next, the results thing. This will detect the objects, and it will also say whether it is a car, whether it is a person, what kind of a vehicle it is. And the 0.88, that is a confidence score, how much it has been detected. That confidence score it will show. And then this is the system architecture. And the system architecture, this is the overall
No
system
need of
architecture.
system architecture. Conclude your project. Conclude it first.
To conclude, our enhanced YOLO version model, it provides a reliable solution for object detection in adverse weather conditions. Like it combines accuracy, speed, and lightweight architecture, making it ideal for real-time applications. So it basically uses a YOLO version 8 as a base, and it provides an efficient object detection task. Yeah, this is our project.
Okay, Ma, thank you. Next one, ready with your presentation.
Next we have G. Ashrita from Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ashrita, and our project title is about churn prediction for subscription-based businesses using Databricks ML Flow. Our project objective is to predict which customers are likely to cancel their subscriptions, enabling proactive retention strategies. Why it is important? Customer churn directly impacts revenue. Accurate prediction helps reduce churn, optimize marketing efforts, and increase customer lifetime value. The project aim is to develop machine learning model that accurately predicts customer churn in a subscription-based business by leveraging Databricks and ML Flow. Coming to proposed system, proposed system is Azure Databricks. It is an Apache Spark-based analytics platform.
No need of proposed system architecture. Directly go to the results viewer.
Okay.
After results, you can conclude your project.
Okay. Our workflow includes first you need to download Azure and create Azure account. Log into the Azure portal, create a resource and search for Databricks. After creating Azure Databricks workspace, go to basics and select the features as required. After that, go to resources Databricks and launch the workspace so that computation will be finished. And next you can create the workspace for your project. For project, you need to start Databricks and launch the workspace. After launching the workspace, you can go to the cluster so that your cluster will be connected. In the cluster, enter your code. You can select your code in which language you are comfortable. We have selected Python code. After taking the mock data as input, we can predict our final result of the customer churn prediction. First, you need to import the libraries and then create the mock data, then create data frame creation. We will be creating Spark data frame to hold our data. After that, feature vector correction. In this, we'll be converting our text data into numeric data so that our processing will be easy. Next, label preparation and model training.
Conclude your project, ma. Conclude your project.
Leveraging Databricks and MLflow for churn prediction enables subscription-based businesses to efficiently develop and deploy scalable machine learning models. This approach not only enhances the accuracy of churn forecast, but also simplifies the model management and experimentation processes. Thank you.
Okay, ma, next participant. Start your presentation.
Next is Gora Shrita. Give your presentation. Shrita?
Yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to present my project, Detection of Spinal Lesions from CT Scans via Deep Transfer Learning. I'm going to present my screen now. Yeah. Coming to the abstract of our project is focused on developing a computer-aided detection system using exception model to automate the detection of spinal lesions from CT scans. We integrated this system through a web Flask-based interface. The system processes CT scans, extracts verbal regions, and uses data augmentation to create robust data, and demonstrating its
You're not
effectiveness
sharing
in
your
identifying.
presentation, huh? You're not sharing the presentation.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Hit fast. Any problem? Sharing.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm sharing right.
Fast.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Continue.
Yeah, this is our abstract of the project. It demonstrates its effectiveness in identifying spinal lesions, which can significantly aid physicians in enhancing diagnostic accuracy and patient outcomes. Next, coming to the objective of our project, the primary objective was to implement an automated CAD system for spinal lesions from CT scans using deep learning techniques, specifically the exception model. Next, coming to the introduction of our project, the growing importance of automation in medical imaging is clear, and
In extensive diagnostics like CT scans, artificial intelligence, particularly CNN, has demonstrated
Ma'am,
effectiveness in improving the reliability.
show me
Ma'am,
your
coming to
results
the
screen. Results, ma'am.
yeah,
Show me your results.
results will be explained by Akash.
Okay, first. Akash, are you
Please
there?
present the
Yeah.
please present the results, Shrita.
Yeah, I've presented the results. Is it not showing?
You can change the slide, ma'am. Results slide. You are in the introduction. Change the slide. Go to results. Akash will explain.
I've changed, ma'am. Akash, is it visible now?
No.
Showing only introduction, ma'am. Results are not here. You change the slide. Next slide.
Right now?
No, it's not showing.
Okay, no problem. Akash, conclude your project. No problem. Conclude the project.
Yes, ma'am.
Conclude, no problem. Sharing also not available. No problem. You can conclude the project.
The proposed system in our project is a CAD-E system based on VGG convolutional neural network with transfer learning, achieved a high accuracy of 93.43% and a recall of 92.99% in detecting spinal lesions from CT scans. The system outperformed that tested architecture such as VGG16, Inception V3, and ResNet 50 across key metrics including F1 force, AUC, and brief score. Data augmented further improved recall, highlighting the system robustness. Overall, the results validate the effectiveness of deep layer transforming for automated spinal lesions detection in our project map. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
That is the last participant. Since it's over, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their extraordinary efforts. And now I would like to call external chair Dr. Praveen Singh for the feedback.
Praveen sir? Praveen sir?
Now that the presentations are over, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their extraordinary efforts. And now I would like to call external chair Dr. Praveen Singh for the feedback. Dr. Praveen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Can you please give feedback?
Okay, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to attend this much paper. Papers are too good, and I thank the head of the department, Dr. Tripathi ma'am, for inviting me, Padma ma'am for means ki approaching and for continuously supporting from yesterday, and for a continuous support. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I
Thank
really
you, sir.
thank the management for giving this opportunity to share this to share my views on various papers. And once again, thanks to all the organizers and all the students and the participants. Thanks to you. Thank you.
Appreciation and vote of thanks by internal chair Ms. Padma Rajni.
Good evening to Ananda. I am giving feedback of how the papers are presented, how the participants are presented the papers, what are the papers are given. All papers are very good papers. Those are they are evaluated, they are explained, artificial intelligence, robotics, IoT, and KYC implementation. All these are they are explained. I observed these are very good papers. You need to improve little bit effort also, little more research you can do, and on the area, whatever the research you have done, within the stipulated time, you have to follow the time limit. Okay. Better luck for everyone. Okay. All the best to all the participants. Thank you, sir. Thank you for our external session chair also, Praveen sir. Thank you for your valuable time you're spending here, sir. Sir, Praveen sir, we are sharing that
Thank you so much, ma'am.
appreciation, sir. Appreciation we are sharing, sir. I've checked also.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Now Santosh sir will be giving vote of thanks.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. As we conclude this national conference on futuristic technology, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all contributors. Thank you to our chief guest, keynote speakers, paper presenters, and delegates for sharing your insights and innovative ideas. Special thanks to our institutional leadership, organizing team, sponsors, and volunteers for your dedication and hard work. Let's consider this not just a conclusion but beginning toward collaboration, discover and share technology future. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Okay, everyone, you can leave the session. All participants. Thank you, Siva.